Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Li-Fide 10-pack yoga mats bulk. Now, this is an interesting option for those looking to purchase mats in bulk, whether for a yoga studio, gym, or a group of outdoor enthusiasts. The standout feature here is the value for money you're getting if you need multiple yoga mats. Each mat measures 68 inches by 24 inches with a 4mm thickness, providing adequate cushioning for your joints without sacrificing floor grip. The EVA material is latex-free, non-toxic, and surprisingly durable, making it suitable for high-frequency use. In terms of design, the mats come with an embossed anti-slip texture that performs well on various surfaces like wood, tile, or cement. This ensures stability and reduces the risk of slipping, even if you're practicing in socks or engaging in sweaty workouts. However, the mats do feel a bit thinner compared to some premium single-purchase options, which may be a drawback for those who require extra cushioning. These mats are lightweight and portable, but cleaning them can take a bit more effort due to their textured surface. The Li-Fide bundle is undeniably a niche product, ideal for yoga instructors or event organizers who need a reliable bulk option. However, for personal use, the price point and average user reviews, 3.4 stars, suggest that these mats may lack the premium feel and longevity that some users prefer. Pros include affordability per unit, lightweight construction, and anti-slip texture, while cons center around thinner cushioning and average durability. If you're buying for a group, this pack might be perfect, but individual users may want to explore other options. Coming in at number 4 is the Cap Barbell Non-Slip Yoga and Fitness Mat. If you're on a strict budget, this mat is a fantastic entry-level option, priced at just $11.99. With a thickness of 3mm, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to roll up and transport to yoga class or store away when not in use. The textured surface provides decent slip resistance, enhancing stability during basic yoga poses and light workouts. The design is simple and functional, available in a solid blue color. While the rubber material is durable enough for occasional use, the thinner profile means it lacks the cushioning needed for prolonged sessions or higher impact exercises. Users with sensitive joints may find it uncomfortable for poses that require kneeling or prolonged pressure on the knees. Additionally, while it's lightweight, the mat's durability over time may not compare to other options on this list. This mat is best suited for beginners or casual yogis who want something affordable and functional for light usage. Pros include its ultra-budget price, portability, and slip-resistant surface. However, the cons are its limited cushioning and durability, making it less ideal for advanced practitioners or anyone seeking long-term use. For a quick and affordable solution, the Cap Barbell mat delivers decent value, but don't expect premium features at this price point. Taking the number 2 spot is the KS Premium Yoga Mat. This mat shines with its premium-like features at an affordable price point of $14.99. Made from TPE material, it's free from harmful chemicals like PVC and latex, making it an eco-friendly and safe choice for users. Its extra thick 10mm cushioning provides excellent shock absorption and joint support, making it ideal for yoga, Pilates, or fitness routines that require prolonged poses or high-impact movements. The non-slip surface is another highlight, ensuring stability even during sweaty sessions. Its build quality is impressive for the price, with durable construction that resists tearing and deformation over time. The included carrying strap adds a layer of convenience, making it easy to transport to yoga class or the gym. In terms of design, the mat comes in 4 colorways, allowing you to pick a style that suits your personality. The KS Premium Yoga Mat is perfect for beginners and intermediate practitioners seeking a supportive and durable mat without breaking the bank. Pros include its thick cushioning, eco-friendly material, and non-slip surface, while cons might be its slightly heavier weight compared to thinner mats. For under $15, it's hard to beat the value this mat delivers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Amazon Basics 1/2-inch extra thick exercise yoga mat. With over 100,000 ratings averaging 4.6 stars, this mat is a fan favorite for good reason. Its 1/2-inch thickness provides exceptional cushioning and shock absorption, making it one of the most comfortable options on this list. The textured surface enhances grip, ensuring stability during poses, while the durable NBR foam construction offers stretchability and resilience. The mat measures 74 inches by 24 inches, giving you plenty of room to move and practice without feeling cramped. It also comes with an elastic carrying strap, allowing for easy transport and compact storage. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth to keep it fresh. The black color is sleek and unassuming, fitting seamlessly into any workout environment. The Amazon Basics Yoga Mat delivers a premium feel at an affordable price, making it ideal for beginners and advanced practitioners alike. Pros include its thick cushioning, durable construction, high user ratings, and ease of cleaning. The only downside might be its slightly heavier weight due to the thicker foam, but that's a small trade-off for the comfort it provides. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality yoga mat that won't break the bank, this is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.